Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to log in Warpath Ace Shooter with your Facebook account. To log in Warpath Ace Shooter using Facebook, launch open the Warpath application on your mobile device. From the main screen, tap on your profile avatar at the top left. Now, from the profile section, tap on Options at the bottom right and then click on Accounts on the next page. You will then be able to see this sign-in area. Now from the options, tap on Continue with Facebook and click on Continue in the pop-up. Go ahead and enter your email address or your phone number followed by your Facebook account's password. After you do that, click on Login. Right after you log in, click on the Continue button to allow access for Warpath to get your name and profile picture and email address. And finally, you will be able to log in to Warpath with Facebook. Once you log in successfully, your Warpath account will be linked to your Facebook. You can now sync your progress across multiple devices, restore your account if you switch devices, and connect with friends who are playing the game through Facebook. So that's how you easily log in Warpath Ace Shooter with Facebook. If you found the video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more tutorials from Warpath Ace Shooter. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.